Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. Today we will understand about calculate column and measure in Power BI. So let's see what it is. So calculated column in Power BI. It is a column based on other columns, means we perform some operations and get a new column. So it consumes actually a lot of memory because it stores data for all the records in that table. And it returns each value for each record. So we can see the syntax here, means this is something, means we can create a calculated column, give it a name and perform some more expression. So we can see here. And what is measure? So measure, it is calculated from some value. It is calculated from some values of our data in a table. So it consumes actually very less memory because it stores only a single row or single value. So let's see how we can use this. So let's see practically how we use this calculated column and measure. So we can see here we just need to upload some data. So we have one Excel data, so that we upload here. The sales data, and now it is loading. So the table is already available here. We can see this sales data, and we can see it in data view as well, means what all data is available. So this is the data, means order ID, customer ID, order date, number of units, unit price and sale price. So here we need to perform one more calculate column. So that we will do, like we need to calculate what is the profit here. So profit we need to calculate actually. So this is the new column. We click here. Column name we can say profit equal to. Now we will give it sale price sale price. So we will select this one, sales data, sales price minus unit price. And now we have sold number of units equal to 2. So we will multiply by 2. So just put a bracket. Multiply by number of units. So we can see here number of units is this one. So we can just select from there only. Now this column is, and we can see a column is created here, profit, and it is calculating based on this profit. So if you want to perform if you want to check the calculation, sale price is 180 and unit price is 150. Now the difference is 30 only, and when we multiply with this number of units, means 2, means 30 to the 60. So 60 is coming here. So like this it will perform all the calculations till for all row. So this is our calculated column. Now if we want to see one measure as well, so what is this? So new measure we can create from here. We created when we need to return one value only. So measure we can say m underscore profit equal to, we perform sum operation, sum of profit. So there is no any column created for this, so it means it will store one value only, and we can see where M profit is created, this one. So we can see it in report now. We need to create, we will create a card here, and we will pass this value, profit. This is our calculated column, so we'll pass this one. Let's update title for this. This is calculated column. Choose one background for this. Center. Make a bigger font. Now it is fine. So this is coming from calculated column here. And if we want to see how it is performing sum, so sum here it is doing that aggregate operation based on that column value. So here we can use multiple aggregate options, means whichever we want to use, like average, minimum, maximum, that will show the value. Same thing we can see from visual as well. So visual, let's pass here that measure value, that is M profit. Here as well we can do a little bit modification, like creating title for this, measure, change the background color, increase font size, so you can see here the value is same, but we can do it in two different ways, like this is measure and this is calculated column. So based on our requirement, we can identify where we need to use calculated column or where we need to use measure. So this is about both of the things. Thank you.